Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I'm going to do a revisit. Now, the last time I reviewed this was 6 years ago, and this wasn't called Liquid Aloha, it was called Golden Ale. So, it was a Kona Big Wave Golden Ale. So that's kind of different, isn't it? This is a revisit review for Kris Causor, Causor. He said he noticed that it'd been a long time since I did this and thought it'd be cool if I could do a revisit. So this happens to be the night to do this. So I found a 6-pack of this for like $10.99. No, $10.34. Something like that, which I don't know, for this is probably not that bad. I don't usually like to spend over $10 for a 6-pack of something, but this being a revisit, and I'm kind of curious about it, and it's a suggestion, so I thought I'd just go ahead and buy it. So, oh wow, that smells really good. Has a kind of a hoppy, a little bit of a hoppy aroma. A little citrus. It smells really good. Let's see. Liquid Aloha. It's a 4.4% ABV, so was the one I did 6 years ago. Mahalo for enjoying responsibility. Kona Brewing Company, Fairfield, California. Also Fort Collins, Colorado, which I used to cruise there back in my younger days when I lived in Colorado. These are all the places where they have breweries for this, I guess. Cartersville, Georgia. Merrimack, New Hampshire, Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and Portland, Oregon. No other information. Here is the, did I show you the cap? I'll have to look for my other one, see if it looks the same. See if it looks different. Finger of head. It's kind of got a fluffy kind of texture to this head. Very small bubbles. Got a nice deep golden appearance. Oh my goodness, this smells good. Wow, it has a nice sweet citrusy aroma. A light maltiness, but you get that hoppy kind of aroma too. Kind of has kind of like a like pale ale kind of characteristics, just a little bit. Actually, probably a lot of it. Smells really good. Okay, let's see what we got. A medium aggressive carbonation. It's got a medium body. Ooh, boy, that's pretty flavorful. It even has a little bit of a bitterness, a little bitter bite to it. Let's see where that's at. That light hoppy bitterness is throughout the drink. Right when you take the drink through onto the swallow, you get that little bit of a bitterness. But it's, I mean, it's not big. It's just like, just a nice, pleasant, bitterness. You know, just a small, light citrus, kind of a little bit of a citrus peel kind of thing going on, but not huge. Yeah, it's just like a pleasant, mild pale ale. Of course, it's not pale in color, but you know what I mean. Aftertaste is light, malty bitterness. Just also, you know, it's good. It's a refreshing beer. Excuse me, with that 4.4% ABV, it's got a low ABV, and it's got a nice clean taste to it. Clean, you know, mouthfeel to it. Very drinkable. It's really good. I got 5 more. Okay, well, that's about all I can give you information on it. I've done some of the other Kona Brewing Company beers if you want to look those up sometime. I don't see a lot of those other ones that I'd done back in the day. There's another one I see, but I don't remember which one it is. But yeah, if you guys see, like in my older videos, something that I've only reviewed once and it was like 6 or 7 years ago, let me know about it and I'll see if I can find it again. Some of that stuff I did back in the day, I say back in the day, like 6, 7 years ago, it's gone. They discontinued it, or they don't distribute it in my area anymore, or something like that. So may not be able to do it, but I can sure check on it. I like revisiting stuff that I reviewed back then, because I mean, I'm still kind of an amateur reviewer. I consider myself that way, but I'm a little bit more seasoned than I was back then. I was just, you know, I was just coming out of a regular routine of just basic my go-to beers. I did not branch out and try different stuff. So, so I didn't know what I was gonna taste. You know, I didn't know if I was gonna like it. So, so I'll probably want to review stuff that I did back then. If you can, like I said, if you find stuff I haven't done for 5 to 6, 7 years. That's really good. It's good stuff. Okay. Kris? Causor? Is that how you pronounce it? Causor? Causor? There we go. Revisit of the Kona Big Wave. Now, if I was doing my review outside, I'd want a big wave just to hit me. Just totally. I feel good. All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you, Kris, for suggesting this. So I appreciate that. And we will see you all on the next one. Let me know if you've tried this.
When was it the last time you had one of these?